Today we are gonna see the difference between a hub and a switch. Both are computer network devices. Let's start with the hub. A hub is a networking device that allows you to connect multiple devices to a single network. Hub is an unintelligent device. It works as a common connection point for computers and other devices such as printers in a network. When a hub receives data from a sending device, it simply repeats or broadcasts that same data out all ports on the hub. Any traffic that goes in one port comes out of the other ports. As a result, all computers receive the traffic even if it is not for them. Let's understand with an example. Suppose there are 4 computers A, B, C and D. All are connected to a hub. Computer A wants to send a message to computer D. So when computer A sends a message to computer D, B and C will also receive a message, even though the message was not for them. Computer D that was meant to receive the message will only respond. All other computers will simply ignore unnecessary traffic. Hub is the easiest and least expensive way to construct a network of personal computers. But the problem with the hub is unnecessary traffic due to spammy transmission process. When two devices transmit data simultaneously, packets collide, which causes network performance. This is mitigated in switches because each port has its own collision domain. Another issue with the hub is it becomes an inefficient mode of communication transport as the number of connected devices increases. It's also not secure because it can send data that is not intended for all end users. A hub generally has 4 to 12 ports and they are passive devices. They don't have any software associated with them. There are 3 types of hubs. Active hub. It's a kind of hub which has its own power supply. It can clean, improve and relay the signal along with the network. Passive hub. It simply distributes the signal coming from the previous ports. Passive hubs relay signals into the network without cleaning and boosting them. Intelligent hub. It helps the administrator to monitor network traffic and you can configure each port on it individually. Here are some important features of a hub. Works with broadcasting and shared bandwidth. One broadcast domain and one collision domain. Works at physical layer. Virtual LAN cannot be created using a hub. Transmission mode is half duplex. Used in local area network to exchange information. Does not support spanning tree protocol. Packet collisions occur inside a hub. Speed is up to 10 megabits per second. Hub cannot store MAC addresses. Packet filtering is not possible. Hubs perform frame flooding. That can be unicast, multicast or broadcast. Let's get into a switch. A switch is a data link layer networking device that connects devices in a network and uses packet switching technique to send and receive data over the network. Switch not only support personal computers but also a variety of other IP devices that brings it into the world of Internet of Things. Switch is used to enable connection establishment and connection termination on the basis of need. Switch is considered more advanced than a hub because switch will only send a message to a device that needs or requests it. Switch helps you to manage the flow of data across the network. Like a hub, a switch also has many ports to which computers are plugged in. Switches are active devices equipped with network software that allows the switch to regulate traffic, eliminate spammy signals, and make connected networks highly efficient. A switch is more intelligent than a hub. Intelligent features allow the administrator to turn ports off and on, or filter through specific ports. However, a switch is more efficient at passing along traffic. It records the addresses of the computers connected to it in a table. This table is called content addressable memory that stores MAC addresses of the devices. For example, when a computer sends a message to the switch, it checks the destination address in the table and sends that message to the appropriate computer rather than sending it to all the connected computers. If the destination address is not in the table, switch sends the message to all connected computers. Switches are widely used in small office, home office networks. There are two types of switches. Manageable switch. It has a console port and IP address, which can be assigned and configured. Unmanageable switch. On this switch, configuration cannot be made. It's not possible to assign an IP address as there is no console port. Here are some important features of a switch. It's a data link layer device, works with fixed bandwidth, intelligent device, maintains a MAC address, allows you to create virtual LAN. It works as a multi-port bridge, comes with 24 to 48 ports, support full duplex transmission, spanning tree protocol is possible. Switch is an active device. It has a software for administration. It provides speed 100 megabits per second, 1 gigabits per second, 10 gigabits per second. Different ports have their own collision domain. Packet filtering is provided. Okay, so this brings me to the end of my video. Please hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.